Hey y'all, what's up? So welcome to our channel again. So for this video, it's gonna be your 80 lumens Eveready. It's battery operated by 3 AAA's battery, and one of the cheapest 80 lumens flashlight that you can find out there for the cost of $549. So plus stuff will be $6 plus. So alright, so take a look on this one. Let's do this one. It's out, and the battery next. Just have to roll this one out. Yeah. Then put the batteries. Negative will be here, positive right there. And always put the positive on the positive first. Alright. And also you can able to use the other side, the head, to put in the batteries. See? Alright, let's check it out. So it's through the light, feels good in the hand. So let's check it out. Oh, alright. So there you go. Let me turn off the lights. Hold on, guys. Alright, it's completely dark right now. So let's see the light right there. For $5 is pretty amazing. I mean, pretty good. See, and let's compare it with my Ryobi. What's the model on this one? It's Ryobi P704. I mean P704. All right, that's all. All right. So this is the 80 lumen Eveready, and this is the Ryobi P704. It's almost the same, I think. So Ryobi and Eveready. Ryobi, Eveready. Let me turn on. Let me turn back the lights on. Here we go. So far, yeah, I like this one, the small one. I will definitely use this. Probably whenever I'm in the warehouse at my job. If I need to, look for something, because especially right now it's getting dark very fast. I mean, because of the time zone right now, and because of the daylight saving. So the height of this one, the length of this one is 3 three and a half, three and a half, 3.5 inches, and yeah, 3.5 inches. See, on my Ryobi, I've been using. I just installed the LED bulb too, same as this one. So. All right, so this one, I'm gonna keep this one with me every day for personal use and work related use. All right, I think that's it for this video, and hope this video helped you guys. I highly recommend this product by Eveready 80 lumen flashlight. It's very cheap, very affordable, especially for you guys who have dogs that you need to walk around at night, or whatever that you needed to do during at night. All right, so thank you guys for watching.